Excitingly, today is the day that we're actually installing the piano. Good morning, everybody. Day 52. Actually, it's almost lunchtime. We went into town and we got some stuff. Importantly, plates. We are now insured, so we can put them on the bus and get the passenger seat fully installed and go for a cruise. Check it out, see what squeaks, what doesn't, all that fun stuff. Also, kitchen sink. We now have everything, including the kitchen sink. $5 at a garage sale, brand new. Somebody took it out of some portable bar thing or something. So super score. And then look at that little picture there. We may use it in the bus style-wise. It kind of goes with the theme we're going. So we don't know, we'll see. It's a gentleman's club. It's kind of racy. So I'm gonna start working on this shower here and actually get it finalized and get the hinges on so that that hatch lifts up. Just squaring everything up, and then I have to put some plastic on the sides there that go into the pan for water and silicone and all that stuff. It's also a super sunny day today, so it's kind of good to test the solar panels, even though we have 2 of the 3 going because I need to buy that bloody cord. We're pulling 20 amps into the battery right now, which is like pretty good.
It doesn't take too long to get it cleaned up.
No. What's up, everybody? Day 53. Looks like the phone's having a nap in the bedroom quarters. Speaking of bedroom quarters, today we're gonna get this done. You can see we were getting the paneling done on the sides here, but this is the headboard with our switch and plugs and toggle switches, wiring for sconces for reading. But we want to get this all done, headboard in, seal this up, though I have a cool project that I'm going to do across here, so I'm hoping to work on that today as well. Get all this paneling done, and then start working our way backwards.
Like I'm doing right now, walking backwards out of the bus.
So obviously y'all remember we got that beautiful piano and we didn't want the piano to go to waste. However, it's friggin' heavy for the bus. So what we're doing is reappropriating it for the bedroom. This here is gonna be a cute little in-wall shelf. So we can pull it down at night if you wanted to put some stuff up on there or books or whatever. So I'm just working on that right now. Okay, we've got the headboard installed. The screws that we put in there, we're actually gonna hide them so you don't see them, so it'll be kind of a clean look. And then we got this guy installed. Looks really cool. So we're gonna have some little latches that you turn, and then you can pull it down, clink, and it becomes a shelf, and then the latches will also clasp to there to hold it as a shelf, but pretty cool.
We were just saying, where's our mattress? And the guy literally came like 5 minutes later. I just checked on my phone for shipping. So our mattress has come. Awesome.
Pretty deep.
So frustrating experience with this bed on the hinge. We left enough gap here between the headboard and that so that it could lift, except this has some trim here that sticks out and this wall slightly angles. So it did not open, which meant we had to unscrew everything, unscrew the hydraulic gas lifts, undo the hinges, pull it out, cut a ½ inch off, bring it all back in here and saw it. So sometimes it's 1 step forward, 2 steps back. And then we'll clean up. We scored that brass bed frame, which we thought the metal is perfect for our decor. But we actually took the headboard spindles off and the footboard, and there's different lengths and they work perfectly if you pull the caps off here. And we're going to use these as our curtain rods throughout the bus. And also we have a thicker one that's going to go here. It's quite long, and that was the full length of the headboard, and it's going to be sort of our grabbing rod to get in and out of the bus. But reappropriating an old brass antique bed frame turns out pretty cool.
Are you just waking up? Yes. Good now.
Hey everybody, end of day 53. Just thought I'd give you a quick update / tour of where we're at. So we didn't do much work in the main cabin today, but looks cool in here at night with all the lights. Definitely dig it. Obviously these are gonna go, they're just helping to hold that up. We did get our final latches though, so those are working great. Our piece of art there. These wires are where the sconces are gonna come through the wall. Got to seal that up. I finally got the switches I needed. We did most of the work in the bedroom here. So did a lot of ceiling paneling. You can see there. We got our mattress, so that's pretty exciting. And we've installed the piano, parts of the piano.
Hi.
And we're just in our jammy pants, kind of hanging out in the bus here in the evening. Ceiling in the bathroom's done. So pretty happy with the progress. It's feeling pretty cool. I'm just gonna crawl into bed here. Ugh. So we're just laying on the new Casper mattress, tried it out. Lots of space in here. It's a cute little sleeping cabin. And the headboard looks really good in here. So anyways, end of the day. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Good night.
Good night.